In the previous session, we have seen the problem of singleton implementation. If you have not seen the previous session video, link is available in the description. Kindly go through that and come back here. In this session, we shall see what would be the problem of implementing singleton class without thread safety. We have written this method, what will happen without thread safety, in which I have created two threads. Why we have not used parallel.invoke method? It is because we are not sure whether code is executed in parallel and also operations will be executed in particular order or not. We are not sure. So you can see in this Microsoft link. That's why I have taken simple thread. Created two threads here to invoke the getCricketBall method, which would create the object for this singleton class. Increment method will just increment the ball counter value. You can observe the thread.start constructor is accepting the delegate function pointer. We have defined anonymous methods to invoke the getCricketBall method, and using this instance object returned by the getCricketBall method, we are invoking the increment method. Once .NET or CLR sees this line thread.start, getCricketBall method will get invoked. Print number of ball bowled is just to print the number of balls bowled so far. How we are going to see the problem in the implementation? Let's get into the singleton class object creation code block. You can see here I put a breakpoint and defined actions. Just right click here and add your actions in this label, as I have written some text message along with the thread ID. It is a way of writing locks in the output window while during the program execution. As we are saying, there is thread safety issue in this implementation. We will be able to see in the output window like how many times the message in the action blocks is executed. Based on the number of times this message thread entered this line of lazy instantiation is printed in output window, we can understand that many times instance gets created, which completely violates singleton pattern. Why? Because singleton is supposed to return the same instance whenever you request for that class object. Let's run and see the output. Here you can see it is printing these many number of times the message along with the thread ID which we have defined. In the next session, we shall discuss how to avoid this problem of thread safety with the implementation of lock. Thanks for listening to me. Please join me in next session.